Hello, everyone, and welcome to another quick scan session with Ben and Raffa. I'm finally back. Last week I was out, but Raffa took over for me. How did it go, Raffa?
Hello, Ben. It was not a good session as usually we do, but welcome back, Ben. So today I'm sure we gonna expect big profits as last.
Yeah. No, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to repeat what we did last week because last week was exceptional. Like, that was insane. Soda noticed the thumbs up button is working. That's good. If you're here, just like and subscribe. We're here pretty much every week if I'm not taken out by something. But we've had a good few months of like pretty much every week, so it's good. We're fairly regular. I like it. Do you wanna? You did a market update yesterday.
Yeah,
You wanna fill it
we
in
did.
quickly because you said everything was going to go to zero. But
I mean, is that not that negative? But yeah, actually, I'm expecting to see more drop on Bitcoin. But let's see what the market will do next week and next couple of days. But yeah, I'm extremely negative. What about you, Ben?
well, it's not about feeling negative or positive. I actually would be better off either direction. If it goes down, I can buy more of my open position. If it goes up, I can close my current position. It's that simple.
Is
It
that
it doesn't matter. I'd be happy no matter what. And that's if you have a plan. If you have a plan, you don't need to worry because your plan should cover two sides, up or down. What do you do? And you should be comfortable with either side as well. You should be comfortable with the price dropping. And you should be comfortable with the price rising. It's that simple. If you are, you're a happy trader. Nothing can beat you. But what are we going to do today? We're going to be doing the quick scan. What is the quick scan? It's this little button right here, quick scanner. It searches for fast drops in the market if you configure it to do so. We're using the 15 minutes history of candles. We're doing USDT only as that's what's available on Binance USDT, Binance futures. Million volume, 3% rises and drops. Fat fingers you can ignore. We've never seen one in a live stream, so I doubt we will get one ever. Unless you're trading on the 10th of October and everything goes to I don't have my beep. Where's my beep? No. But yeah, you get what I was trying to say. So I'm gonna ask the same question as I ask every week. Up or down? Long or short?
Definitely up. Definitely up.
Okay, so we're going short, people.
Yes.
Oh, it's the same joke every week. It never gets
And
old.
it's always funny.
What are we doing? We're doing the 3-minute time frame because 4 hours we'd be sitting here quite a bit if we have to move one candle during a session. Right, I see a lot of interactiveness on the chat. That's always nice to see. Let us know you're here. We're doing our best to provide some entertainment for you. Don't take this as trading advice because what we do is risky. We're forcing ourselves to trade within the hour, taking trades where we can. There is a strategy behind it, but you might not always take the exact same trades if you follow the strategy. Ooh, I like this one. Why do I like this one? It's there. We want it to go there. 2.6. We've got a nice fair value gap that we can actually fill with lots and lots of orders. So let's start with our first. And normally I would like to set like a stop loss, but we're not using a stop loss at this trade, but we're using it to calculate our size. Calculate the size of the stop loss. Yes. I do want to buy here, not there. That. And 1% risk. Yeah, that's fine. 2.7. Wow. Okay, that's fine. Let's remove this one and hopefully, well, we can expire it if it doesn't happen. So we can do that. Hopefully, we can get a fill on this one. How's the RSI doing? Yeah, that's fine. Nice and low. Nice and low. Please grab our order. We will buy more as this goes down. Right, let's see if we have as perfect. 5 minutes, also the same situation. 15 minutes, also the same situation. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a fill on this one. Looks like almost. Ooh, yeah, we got it, I think. Ah, this thing is useless. There we go.
6 minutes and we are already with that trade open. Last session, Ben, you were not here, but it took me like 30 minutes to enter my first trade, and you after 6 minutes you are already in. So
Yeah, but I'm a little bit of a cowboy.
you are.
And like I said, we're providing entertainment value, right? We're not providing a lot of trading advice and like follow me with this strategy. There is a logic behind this, right? Outside the Bollinger Band, just hit a fair value gap. Awesome. RSI, it's oversold. The chances are that it will get to this middle line. That's the strategy. Will it happen now? I don't know. But we will be adding an extra order in case we drop further. And we will take our profit right there. But this might be the most useless position we've ever had. So let's lock it for now. So far, it's doing all right. Let me just clean up a few of those things that I don't use anyway. What else? My alerts. Yeah, that can stay. It's fine. What's this? And we need that. Don't care about trades. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Now I can easily switch between this one and we can see. All right. You're wondering why you're only doing this now? Yeah, I don't know. We should have done that before. Let's get that quick scanner. See if we can find our second trade of the day. Let's close the other tabs because we don't need those. Soon. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Well, it's sooner rather than later. Trading. Let's see. Oh, no, don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Wait for me. How's our line? Yeah, good. Good recovery. Let's quickly check that one. That one. Wow, perfect. Oh, don't leave me behind. And let's check that one. Let's use the open one. You've logged how much we are using? 245. Let's see how far we can get. 246 actually.
Yeah, 246, correct.
How soon is already going? Can we get Oh wait, but I do need. Well, I'll wait a sec. It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's keep my phone at hand so I can see the notifications come in. Because the notifications, like the sound, is not available here. Maybe we need to add that as well. Like that trader thing, that order failed. Sounds cool. Everyone's using that, right? Order failed.
We should add a voice to the terminal.
A voice? We have that.
Yeah, your voice band when you place an order and get filled. Just the AI voice band say, your order has been placed. Funny. Nice.
The money is no longer yours.
Next release.
Yeah. Let me just do that because I don't want to sit here and watch paint dry. So let's. How do we get so lucky? Almost already looking for the third trade because this is nice. This could be this is a very nice panic. We could watch this a little bit and see if we can time an entry. Let's just set up. Let's use the preset. Don't be a fool. Something just got filled. Yes, soon. Now let's get to profit. We get a nice recovery from that. Okay, let's do 200 moving average. Let's not be too greedy. 3.7 is already crazy. Okay. Remove the stop loss. Yeah, we're going lower. Right. 15 minutes in, we're looking for a third trade. Just need to be a bit patient. So we don't want it to be too fast. We do need to check soon though, because soon is dropping further, which is great. 1 minute 30. Okay, recovery is not over yet. We do see the RSI cross. Now let's see. Even further down. This fair value gap is nice.
High probability to go there in the next minutes.
Yeah, but it could also just be a quicker recovery.
Yeah.
Don't know. I'm just waiting for this candle to close, really.
Soon useless are quite stable.
How soon doing? Can you check for me?
It's basically flat as useless.
Useless is flat, but soon.
Yeah. Let me have a look.
Come on. Oh, what's this? Ugh, is that annoying thing again? Where it won't allow you to add the funds because the leverage is too high on this part. Okay, can we do it now? Yes.
Thanks, David. We appreciate it. And let me tell you that you are on the right path. That is the right mindset to start trading. If you have to say something, Ben, for our special guest.
Say what? Sorry, I'm just a little bit
Oh, yeah.
in the mind.
No, we receive many appreciation for this kind of streamings, such as like David. He just started to do trading 2 weeks ago, so he likes our content and what we are doing.
Well, that's good. I like it too, especially when we're generating profit. Obviously, it's not always as easy as it seems. Let's add the target. So, am I invisible? No, you're not invisible. Here, hello. Did you ask a question? Uh, 50 minutes, 4 hours. Do we have any targets? Okay, we do. There's a little bit of an order block here. Okay. But you said it was scalping. Why are you looking at the 4-hour chart? I need to base it on something. All the other charts don't give it. Then it would just be guessing. At least now at least now I can say it's not my opinion. It was the chart. You are wondering about choosing AllTrading or TradingView. Well, the question is, David, what will you be using of TradingView? What does TradingView offer you in terms of position management, in terms of how you trade, how you see where you can trade? Because, yeah, if the thing that we say is like, if you need some kind of specific Pine script, then TradingView makes sense. Otherwise, everything that you can do with TradingView, you can do in AllTrading. And you have a lot more in AllTrading on top of that. And also, we have a sale. Black Friday sales already started. 10 days left to get the subscription. Total discount currently for premium is 40%. I can't downgrade, sorry. But yeah, it's a good discount. Best discount of the year. Is Bitcoin your favorite coin to scalp or just for this video? I'm not scalping Bitcoin at all, actually. Bitcoin scalping is kind of difficult because Bitcoin doesn't move as quickly. What is a competitive product similar to AllTrading? Again, that depends on what you use. Like if you are a bot trader, if you want to use bots, then you have competitors like 3 Commas and Bitscap. If you're looking for manual trading, then obviously in competition with the exchanges. And yeah, apart from that, apart from that, nobody really does manual trading like we do. So yeah.
There are not many options out there.
No, so yeah, that's it. Actually, I think I will close this one here. This is useless. This is useless, and this is Ponky, and this is soon. The vertical stream. Ah, right. You're on the. I see it now. You guys are on the mobile. Yeah, we're trying out this new thing from StreamYard, where we can stream on mobile and on desktop. But if you want to see it better, head over to your desktop because you'll get a almost full screen. Unfortunately, we can't change the aspect ratio of this. That's not a feature that's StreamYard supports yet. So.
Come on, let's lock our first trade on useless.
So I will do my best to inform more about which coins we're trading, but this is useless. Don't get me wrong, the coin is useless. Soda? Getting a drink, I think. The coin is useless, yeah. Means it has no purpose. It probably means that as well. Like this, the craziness of these meme coins is probably that, yeah, it is completely useless. It's like the same as the not coin or something. Like it does not have a function. I don't like this, Rafa. Do you remember those?
Me either. Let's see for the close of this candle, because we still have some time.
Well, actually, I'm not gonna do that again. No. That's the wrong one. I wanted to do my stop loss.
You almost entered twice.
I almost entered where I wanted to exit. You see, you need to keep your mind with it because
Focus.
That could have been disastrous. There we go. Now we're protected.
Dances, you just can check our channel and visit our website, so you can scroll through our pages and have a look on Trading.
Trading.com, yeah.
Trading.com.
Where do we have a banner for it? No, can you create a banner? Let's see. How is Ponky doing? This is Ponky. Oh, and now I missed it. Useless is out. But it's profit.
Oh, we are out.
Yep, we're out of one. Oh, yeah, you see, I should have done that. Although this is probably what it triggered. But I don't like... Yeah, and you know what? I'm gonna close this one as well because it looks like we're turning around. So, yay! Another one. And crickets. So 2 profitable positions. And
I miss it again. You close Ponky as well?
yeah, Ponky as well
Oh, nice.
with some decent profit.
Wonderful. Let me count our
System's
trade.
calculating 1.56. But guys,
Oh,
this is
wow.
peanuts. Yeah, I know it's peanuts, but we're looking at $4 on a 246 investment. That's how you need to see it.
1.6.
In case you're wondering, what is he saying? Raffa is...
Oh, sorry. My bad.
No worries.
All right. Let me show our banner down here. Results of today's trades: 100% win rate, PNL 1.6, actually 1.6%, 64. All right.
Zan. What is Zan doing? Ooh, nice 200 moving average.
David, actually, I don't have any real recommendation for you because in my experience, I never seen and watched someone doing live trading with a with real money, real account. So most of them, they are just using paper trading, or they just trade not in real time. So I can I can answer your question, but yeah, that's why we are here also to uh, give you guys some valuable content, not only to show a quick scan, but also to show you how trading is in real life. Not always good time, but with Ben, most of the time it's good time. But if you have watched the last week with me and Dimitro, in 1 hour we only had 2 trades in profit, but the PNL was 0.04. Yeah. Anyway,
It doesn't matter how small or big the profits are. It's about whether you learn something. Because let's face it, $2.50 is not going to be a life changer. Learning how to trade, that can be a life changer.
coffee money.
Nice. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Let's go. I think this is going to be a good one as well. Oh, we need to buy some more soon. Oh man, these puns, they just present themselves. It's crazy. So let's see if we can get blessed on this one. In case you're wondering, the coin is blessed. The other coin is soon. If I have to explain my puns, they become less funny, even though they were not funny to begin with. And yes, I'm laughing at my own jokes because no one else is. So someone's gotta. Doesn't that make me look silly? Yeah, but I don't care. I'm sitting here talking to a screen anyway. And hopefully you will be a bit more entertained. I mean, I want to buy soon, but then the price already goes up. I think it's moving sideways a lot, isn't it?
Yeah. I think so. That's
22 seconds. How's RSI doing? Oof, no, RSI is bad. This is bad. Let's pause this for a second. Let's go over to soon. Yeah, this might drop soon. What you were thinking when making the position? Yeah, In this case, I'm just waiting for price to drop here or to go there. I entered because it was outside the Bollinger Band. RSI was below. Stochastic RSI and the RSI itself also low. Let me make that a little bit bigger, otherwise on mobile you won't be able to see it at all. Well, you need to think about this. It's just a shame that StreamYard allows us to do this, but then does not allow us to focus more on the screen itself. Yeah, missed opportunity, guys. Missed opportunity. But yeah, if you can't see properly on mobile, head over to desktop or iPad and you'll see full screen. Let's go back to Bless. See, yeah, now RSI and stochastic is going in the right direction. So we're looking for confirmation, right? So we're waiting for it to be here as well. Because if it's not here, then the panic is not really at full scale. And we need full scale panic for it to recover quickly.
And we are forming a divergence on the RSI, as you can see from the double bottom is like higher lows, but the price is forming lower lows. So let's see if this technical pattern works.
Okay. Quick scan. We can lock this for a second and see if we can get a better one in a couple minutes. Yeah, I do not. Oh, that's Bless still. That's fine. Oh, Yalla. I haven't done Yalla in a while. No, don't like it. Don't like it. Yeah, I mean, this one is about to break.
Yeah, compression phase.
You can even see compression on the stochastic.
Quite risky, but huge potential for TNSR.
But you would have
3 billion volume. Oh my god, is huger than Bitcoin.
Really?
No, I mean, look at the volume, daily volume, 3 billion. I mean, Bitcoin, I think, is similar to that volume.
It's possible that it has a spike on a specific day. That's possible. Okay, so the stop loss would be at the bottom part, so below the move. And where we would like to get it, and maybe a retest of these. Like this is a little bit of an anomaly, a sweep. This is more of the level, although we have some here as well. And then it makes sense there. Yeah, let's go there, and then this one should be there. Why there? That's the first level of liquidity. And we can expire the position if it goes there. No, I think we're just gonna let this one go. It's gonna go there. It's just it was just a candle too late. It happens. And that's why I prefer the other method, like this method. It's just you just have a little bit more time. How's RSI doing here? Yeah, we're getting there. But we might have lost a little bit of our trading room. I mean, this fair value gap is beautiful. How are we looking at the other time frames? Similar situation. Yeah, so on the 15 minutes. Yeah, look, this 15-minute fair value gap. It's looking like an all right trade now. So I will make sure that this is, the risk is fine. So let's go. Now let's see if we can get blessed on this one. This is the blessed coin. Well, when is the price going to reach the middle line? Very soon. But yeah, if we do it sideways, there's no fun. Where's the fun in sideways middle line takeout? Is the NYC starting time the best time for trading? I'd have to say it depends. It depends on your trading style. If you're doing intraday trading, then you want to be in the market when it's very volatile. So when there's a lot of people looking. Is that always at the New York time opening? I don't think it is. No. So it really depends on your strategy. If you're doing swing trading, it really doesn't matter. Like any time of the day, you can look at the charts and look at your entries and find a setup. If you're doing this scalping trading, then obviously 3 o'clock UTC, that's the time to be. That's when we do it. That's when we're profitable. Yeah. But apart from that, and what time frames are the best? Again, it depends on your strategy, your level of comfort. If you're not comfortable with positions going down like a percentage in a few minutes, then you need to find different types of setups that are not on this type of, like on different markets, different time frames. There is no one size fits all, unfortunately. There's no best in trading. If there was a best, then everyone would be doing it and it would stop working. That's the reality of it. If everyone trades long, there is nothing to short. And vice versa. So I would suggest, if you're absolutely new, I would suggest to go over to alltraded.com/academy. Check out the beginner course where we give you some pointers on what crypto trading is, how it works, how you can calculate profits and stuff like that. And then maybe dip your toes into the smart money concept. Why that? Well, because we're doing live streams weekly on the smart money concept. And we let you know how that works. And we give you a strategy that you can actually follow and backtest. If you're very, very new to trading, then it's very much advised to do backtesting. So do you need another tool for backtesting? No, you don't. You can just click in the market and you can click on start replay from here and start a beautiful backtest where you can test your positions in, if you're doing like smart money concept trading, we normally do on the Tuesdays, we do a backtest session for an hour and we test 2 weeks, 3 weeks in that hour, 2 weeks of backtesting. So that's quite significant, a significant amount of data in an hour. And so far, those backtests have been profitable as well. So you can learn the strategy in your own time, and it's a very valuable strategy, I might say. Let's see if we can get a double tap. If you're looking for something like scalping, 15 to 30 minute trades to get in and out, then this is your this is your live stream. This is what we do. So the strategy in this case is trading outside of a Bollinger Band. If it's outside of a Bollinger Band, it has a high probability, high probability to reach the middle line again. As you can see, it went out, touched the middle line. It went out, touched the middle line. It went out, it will touch the middle line. Now, there is a downside to this, and that is that it may touch the middle line at some point, but that point may be below where you actually bought. So you need to have a little bit more than that strategy, or like we've done in a lot of live streams as well, right? Where we set the stop loss. So right now I'm doing a dollar cost averaging. So I do rebuys instead of closing the position with a stop loss. But if you really, really want to be quick in and out, then using a stop loss is, a sure way to make sure that you're either in profit or you get out as quickly as possible. And within Altrady, if you do trade like that with scalping, then you want to make sure your risk management is on point. And your risk management can be on point if you're using the stop loss like so. That's what I've been using already. I determine how much risk I want to do. So you can fill, when you have an open position, then you can fill in the risk percentage of either your currency balance, portfolio, folder, or account, or fixed amount. You can look it up what these different things mean, but they essentially calculate the risk that you're willing to take with this stop loss. And then you need to find a good risk reward ratio. Now, if you change any of this stuff, then you can see these calculations are updated in real time. So it allows you to quickly understand how much you're risking, how much you're getting. And yeah, if you have a strategy that is like 40% successful, so you lose a little bit more than you win, but your risk reward ratio is like 1 to 3, you'll be profitable in the long run. So you can really make sure that you can stick to that 1 time risk, 3 times reward, and yeah, grind your way to profits, I'd say. If you're wondering what is risk reward ratio, how do you calculate it, go over to Altrady Academy and follow the beginner course, and it will be explained in one of the lessons. And that course is free, by the way. If you're wondering, like, oh, got to pay again. No, you don't. It's a free course. Free, available on the website. And you may be wondering, how can you provide so much value for free? It's because ultimately we want people to be profitable in their trading and stick around by using this amazing platform.
One-stop service, all inclusive.
All inclusive, yeah. That was bless, yeah. I mean, this is so slow. Oh, look at it. It can take it can take forever in this case.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just get out at break even. The band is not even narrowing.
We should, yeah.
I think I went in too soon. That one.
Name trap. There is a reason why this coin is called soon.
Yeah,
to trap you and fool you. Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can do another one as we're here. Let's beat the odds and go into beat, or no? Aria.
Too slow.
Aria. It's not a panic enough. That's a panic. That is a panic. Nice 200 moving average. It hasn't been retouched yet. 7%, yeah. But I'm afraid it's going to take a long time.
Yeah.
But we do have that 15-minute fair value gap there. That's okay. That could be our nice target. But it's not outside the Bollinger Band. And that's the most important thing, right? As long as it's like really grinding to that blue line, it's not going to touch this middle line. You see that? Every time it's just a small grind. Now here, did it go out? Yeah. So no, this market, we're going to skip it.
Yeah, just a slow agony.
Maybe we can send it. And send. Well, yeah, there's room and there's a fair value gap. Why not wait for the fair value gap? Yeah. Why not? Why should we? We're not trading fair value gaps per se. We're trading Bollinger Bands and RSI. And those are signaling that it's almost time to get into this trade. Nice little 200 moving average. Let's adjust our risk. So 1% risk for a 2 row reward. So we'll get $5 or lose $2.50, but we're actually not going to lose because we just do as. Who wants to lose? We don't. So yeah, let's wait and see if we can get something like a green candle. Maybe even a crossover of the stochastic RSI. Those crossovers are even better. As you can see here, we had a nice crossover outside Bollinger Band and then a massive run-up. This would have been a beautiful trade. Lovely profit. But as you can see here, the first time it exits here, you do get it, but then it's a little bit slower. So this is exactly why the DCAing is better. Because if you had bought here and bought here, you would still be out here in decent profit. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
It is nice to see that people are watching on the mobile. I have to say, I didn't expect that. First time.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, it's.
So yeah, we definitely
Keep
keep using.
Too soon, but we're gonna send it anyway. This is send. No, the price is already moving away. Oh yeah, we're filled. Come, can we? Can we? No, did we just miss it by a pip? Yeah, I did. Philip, I hear you. We are streaming on the big screen as well. So if you want to see it better, hop over to a laptop, desktop, iPad.
All your devices, both mobile and desktop.
Television also possible. We're here. The PG. There's something.
Weird. Oh, here we go. I'm
gonna reload this because I think this one lost its connection because my phone is telling me it's updated, but live it is not. So now we're here, and we wanted to have the chart pattern. Send. So here we are. Back to where we were. Oh, bless. Yeah, this is lovely. But it's dropping. Yeah, exactly. More opportunity to buy.
DCA activated.
Yeah. How's RSI doing? Ugh, no. Need to wait for that RSI to be better. Oh, okay. Okay, So we're going to be keeping these 3 for now, because otherwise it's going to get a little bit too much. And we don't want it to be getting faked out. Nope, not there yet. Lots of indecision. There we go. Now this is more like it. People on the mobile, hopefully you can see. Almost. Almost. Go.
Vanish in 1 candle.
Now, when it moves up like this that quickly, I do want to start locking it in quite quickly, because I'd hate to see it in a loss again. Yeah, it looks like we're out. No, maybe not. Maybe not. But usually when it's this quick, then it's going to go back to like starting point again, and we don't want that. Like, this is fine. Like, the profit, it could be that it reaches the profit in the next 5 candles, but do we really want to wait 5 candles? Or do we just want to, yeah, we're out. You're thinking, how do you know? Oh, like that. You see, this is why. This is why. When it goes like that, do not stay in the trade and hope for the best.
Wow.
Don't do that. We've done it before. We're not doing it again.
What the fuck? That was sent.
Right. Actually, I want to put this one there now with this fair value gap. Just looking to break even. Why? Well, because we're running out of time and I don't want to be stuck in this type of trade for too long. And that's exactly why don't take this session as pure trading advice, because you might end up like me with positions that you have to close because basically your time is over. Normally you wouldn't close them, you would just manage them properly if you have the time, but we don't always have the time.
But we can automate our trade and go doing other stuff.
Yeah, we can automate quite a bit. And I usually try to do that, right? I usually try to... okay, RSI is looking okay. I might move this one up, just so that we can get out quickly. I think that's... yeah, I think it's time to do that, actually. No, don't go away from me just yet. Just grab my order and I can get out and profit. Yeah, thank you. That's done.
Oh, so our break-even is really close right now.
Yeah.
You move the take profit just above it.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. That's better. Now let's see if we can close this one.
So this method is a kind of like edge, is a kind of edging.
Yeah. I mean, if we had more time, then I might have waited a little bit longer, or I would have played with 2 targets. So basically get out here for a little bit and get out with the rest there. But as I said, we're doing this for an hour and we'd like to close it in as best as possible state as we can. But we're not going to be in this for too long because, yeah, I just don't have the time. But if you do, make sure to manage it properly.
Yeah, so basically you keep buying the dip and you move down your take profit, so the break even goes down too.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's a kind of
show,
edging on one direction. But yeah,
show a couple of them, maybe from last time. Yeah, like I think this one. Nope, that was just a single. Was it flock? Go back to the past. Yeah. So here's an example with 2. So you sell here and you sell here and then you buy back here. Double trade. But we also have them with more things where we do multiple buys and sells. Yeah, not this one. I mean, oh yeah, this was a good one.
Oh wow!
Buy again here and poof.
Wow.
Soon is going to go further. At 2.8%, not bad. It's more realistic and more normal
compared to the last 0.04.
Yeah,
It's
you're wondering what does 2.8% mean? 2.8% means that we actually made 2.8% profit on the value that we started with. So that's the portfolio balance or the currency balance. That means that if you have 10,000, then you would have made $280 in this case in an hour. That would have been nice. I don't think this market is popping anytime soon.
Yeah. What about Bless?
I mean, this fair value gap, though, it's just... Yeah, we're not blessed with this one either. Yeah, the RSI is just not... I mean, this one is going... I might add another target if it goes below that one. If it goes below there and below the Bollinger Band, we would be better off. What was the total profit amount that we have now?
Let me, I think, over 250. Let me double check quickly. 253.
Yeah, but
So I think we have reached a new peak.
we're eight in profit or something. The total net profit should be in your sheet.
Oh yeah. Mm, $7.
$7 means that we would still be profitable even if we close these trades.
Yeah. Maybe only like 50 cents, but yeah.
Hey,
So even if you close
even
them right
50
now.
cents make millions. Nice green candle. That's what we need to see. And a lot can happen in 1 minute 20. So I'm waiting for the last minute, because obviously if we go into 1 minute, then it's the close of a new minute, and you can see a little bit of a reaction around that time. So people are getting in now with their orders, thinking that it's going to go up, and it might. But we might also see the reversal if they say, yeah, you know what, we're going to push the price back down. So it's a little bit of a fake out on the minute. Let's go. We'll see if we can get this one. Yeah, almost. Yep, we're in. Okay. Let's wait for the system to update so that it automatically updates this position. There we go. And it's now 14,000. So I want to get out there soon. Yeah, this is looking like a little bit better. There is this fair value gap. Let's see if we can switch to the minute so we have a little bit better view. Nice. On the minute now, we have crossed the Bollinger Band.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to be setting this one there back, and we're going to be following it with the trailing, if we can. Yeah, that's nice. Can we do follow price even? Like that. Lock it in. Okay, so we're now trailing upwards. And I'm okay with it going out in a slightly less profit or even a little bit of a loss. That's fine, because we're nearing the end of the stream. But at least we're doing okay. Would be nice if we can get.
Look at this recovery.
If we can get. Yeah, okay, so we're going to close this position in profit for sure. Right? And you're thinking like, what is this magic? What is he doing? How is he doing this? This is just a trailing stop loss feature that is inside all trading. Are you utilizing fair value gaps here? Yes, I am, Roman. Yes, I am. And we're out. So because of the slippage, we might not be in profit here completely, but at least it's break even.
Amazing, amazing.
Let's see. Can we do the applause? Position info. We can.
All right. So even soon,
Even soon eventually was. Well, I'm gonna call it break even, but that's not too bad considering all things considering that it's
16 cents.
We're looking for an exit, right? We're not looking for staying
yeah.
this a long time.
Yeah, definitely. That was the best exit ever. And it has increased our P&L by 0.1%.
Hey, at least it didn't decrease it.
Wow.
But yeah, Roman, I'm using the fair value gaps of the 15-minute to determine the exits. So I would sell just before a 15-minute fair value gap right here, like that. And I mean, if you can do that with Bless, that's a hell of a trade. And this, for people that are wondering, like, what are we looking at? This is the Bollinger Band. This is a good sign. Bands are narrowing. Price is hitting the middle line constantly. RSI is moving upward. Stochastic RSI is moving upwards. Well, actually, in this case, it could go either way. But this is a big move is imminent. A big move is imminent. As soon as the bands narrow, like you can see here, the bands narrow, it went down. So bands narrow, down. Bands kind of, but not as narrow, but this. So this could be, again, band narrowing and going down. And then we might be able to, we might lose all our profits. So in this case, actually, because we're closing the stream, I will not take more than that, just because I don't have time to manage this further. And we'll set up a trailing take profit as well. So like that. So we'll start trailing when we reach this point. Why can I not? You. I should be able to do this. Follow price. Cancel edit. Stop. Follow price. Oh, I'm not allowed to do that in a loss. Well, how weird. I should be able to. Need to change that. But yeah, it looks like we're going to be closing this anyway. I will do that. Right. Maybe we're lucky. Maybe this will pick it up. Like even now when we do this, then I will set it up like this because I'm gonna walk away from it. And when we get there, then at least I will do that. So when we are in profit, then I will do the trailing. Like so. But it doesn't look like it. So we're going to be, what, looking at 1% profit? Yeah, we're out.
Maybe more. And
you see, yeah? You see, right? So you see, bands were narrowing. There is a strong reaction. then getting out is not a bad idea, because this would have wiped all our profits, right? So this is why we show you this as well. Sometimes you lose. Sometimes you lose. 525. And this is the harsh reality. Like, this would have been a perfect rebuy. Would have been a perfect rebuy. But yeah, we're closing up the stream. I really need to go. We're already 13 minutes past our limit. But we're here anyway, just to make sure that we all
Okay.
how it ends.
So at the end results, still in profit.
Yeah, that's what I figured. 1%.
Yeah, such another amazing scalping session. The master is back, and we have learned many things today. Thanks, Ben.
It was a pleasure to do this again, and I'm happy that we can close it in a almost 1% profit. And you know, the best traders struggle to get 1% a day, and we did it in an hour. It's true, right? Like, I didn't fake it. This is real money. This is real markets. We're there. Did we only take profitable ones? No, we lost one. It can happen. Did you lose almost everything? Yeah. If we weren't careful, we would have lost everything. Like, this loss would have been double. So again, it comes down to risk management. It comes down to understanding how markets move. And when you see a Bollinger Band narrowing, it's time to prepare for a move in either direction. And as you can see, I'm happy. Like, I'm happy about my decision. And that's the thing. Am I upset? Absolutely not. I took these trades because they were trades to take. And if the Bollinger Band had narrowed and gone up, this would have been a monster trade. But as soon as I saw that this could go really bad, I made a decision for my exit. I placed the exit at that level, and I'm happy that I sold. I'm happy that I sold. So again, either direction, I would have been happy. That's the perfect situation to be in. And with that, we will close the stream. Thank you, Raffa, for joining me and providing updates on the trading results. And then we'll see you again, hopefully next week. Special thanks to David for the super chat. Really, really appreciate that. And we'll see you again next week. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.